So I went grocery shopping yesterday at Kroger and I got some really good deals on different meats. A lot of the stuff I got half off or even better. And so I just wanted to show you that this way of eating doesn't have to be expensive if you are smart and you take the time to search around a little bit. So I'm excited to share that with you. I do know it's been a while since my last video. I've been really busy with packing, getting stuff ready to move, so bear with me. But I am working on a keto meal prep video, which I hopefully will have out next week. So again, just bear with me. I appreciate all of you who watch. I know my channel is small and I just appreciate all of your likes and comments and engagement. So just wanted to say thank you for that. So I'll go ahead and get into the haul. Leave a like if you find this helpful and consider subscribing. All right, let me show you what I got. So here is everything I got. We have mostly Kroger with a few things from Walmart sprinkled throughout. I'll start over here on the left. We got a lot of protein here. They had some really good sales this week, so I decided to stock up. So first I have these 3 roasting chickens. So I really like to buy whole chickens because they're substantially cheaper per pound. And I find there's a lot you can do with them. You can roast them in the oven. You can butterfly them and smoke them on the grill or just grill them. We'll usually make a couple for dinner and then use the leftovers for chicken salad or make some wraps with it with low carb tortillas or, you know, just eat it leftover. So these are organic free range whole chickens. And these are normally, I think, either $2.50 or $2.99 a pound. I can't remember, but they were on special this week for 99 cents a pound. All 3 of them ended up being right around $5 for each chicken. So I picked up 3 of them. 2 of them I'm going to make tonight, and that one you can see is kind of frozen. You can see has frost on it, and that's because I had thrown it in the freezer. I actually went grocery shopping yesterday, but my girls needed a nap, and so I didn't have time to show you then. So, so that one's going back in the freezer. Next, I have these Angus beef hamburgers. I like to just have something like this in the freezer for days where I'm in a hurry and I can just pull something out. I'll pull them out right from frozen and cook them on a cast iron. Or now that it's summertime, we'll just put them right on the grill. This is 2 pounds of meat and it was $8.49. And here, you can't really see what it is. I will insert a picture of what it's supposed to look like. They put the sticker right over the front. These are the Private Selection Culinary Cuts Prime Beef Ground Chuck Burgers. That's a mouthful, but you can see these had been in the freezer as well. If I see something like this with a reduced sticker, usually it means it's closer to its use by date, so I'll usually throw them in the freezer and use them when I need them. I tried a couple of these already and they are really, really good. So if I see more, I'm definitely going to pick them up again. Another thing is this natural ground lamb. This was, again, reduced, and it was $5.99. It's, I believe, American lamb. If I can find a picture without the sticker on top, I'll insert that as well. This is normally $9.99 for this package, but was reduced to $5.99. And this is really great for making Turkish meatballs. If you'd like to see a recipe for that, comment down below, and I'll be happy to get that out to you. I got some shrimp. I usually like to buy wild-caught shrimp because the farming practices for shrimp are really not the greatest. We're $9.99 for this bag, which is 1 pound. All right, next up we have bacon, and we got a lot of it. So this is the Right Hickory thick cut bacon. My husband really likes this brand, and it was on sale for $7.99, and then I had a coupon for $2 off. So I got this for $5.99 when it's normally $10.99. And then these, again, I had thrown these in the freezer, but this is the Greenfield Natural Meat Company. I've never actually seen this before. This is my first time, and it's bacon that is made with, I don't know if you can see that, no sugar. It's a thick cut smoked uncured bacon, and it says that it was $6.99 and was reduced to $3.49, but when I looked on the Kroger app, it actually said it retailed for $10.99. So either way, it's a really great deal, and I picked up 3 of them and again just threw them in the freezer. Here I have this Colby sliced cheese. I really like the Private Selection cheeses. I bought this just to put on top of the burgers, or sometimes we'll just snack on it. And it was $5.49 for 8 ounces. Now, next I'll move on to the eggs. So we have backyard chickens, and in the summertime we don't need to buy eggs, but I did want to show you this since this is a Kroger grocery haul. In the winter, when our hens have slowed down laying, we will usually have to buy eggs, and I usually will pick up these. So these are the Simple Truth pasture raised eggs. They're basically the same as the Vital Farms ones, but they are considerably cheaper. In order to be advertised as pasture raised, they have to have 108 square feet per bird, and the yolks on these are just as orange as the Vital Farms ones, I find. And it's happened a couple times where I will buy a carton of these eggs, and some of the eggs will actually have double yolk. I actually bought one carton this past winter where half of the eggs had double yolks, which was awesome. Okay, so I also like to get some dairy products from Kroger. Here I have the Good Culture cottage cheese. This is a whole milk cottage cheese. It is organic. What I like about this are the ingredients. So you just have organic skim milk, organic whole milk, organic cream, Celtic sea salt, live and active cultures. A lot of cottage cheese brands have many more ingredients, a lot of gums, some additives, preservatives, things like that, and these ingredients are really clean. They are made with milk from pasture-raised cows, and yeah, I really enjoy that. This, by the way, was $4.99. Another thing is this cultured sour cream, also organic. This was $1.99. So I've been putting salsa, cheese, sour cream, and pickled jalapenos on everything. So I got some of that. Okay, back here I have some heavy whipping cream. It's actually a pretty good price at Kroger. This was $3.79 for 32 ounces. Now it does have some stuff that I don't love in there. Cream milk, it has carrageenan, which I am not a huge fan of, but they didn't have the cream I usually like to get, so that's what we got. I also got some half and half because sometimes I prefer that in my coffee, and honestly the carb count is not that high. For 2 tablespoons, it is 1 gram of carbs, which is actually the same count that's in this anyway. Okay, it's 1 tablespoon and less than 1 gram, so, you know, I'm not that worried about it. I also got Zevia. You can see one is missing, and that's because I had one today. But this is the Zevia 0-calorie soda. It is sweetened with stevia. This is the ginger root beer. I really like that one. I like the ginger ale one, and the cream soda one is pretty good too. I'm not a huge fan of the cola one, but I got that. For a 6-pack, it was $4.79. It is pretty expensive, but I really enjoy having one occasionally with a meal, so I got a package of those. And the last thing I got from Kroger is just a head of cauliflower. I'm not sure why I bought the organic one, because I think cauliflower is part of the Clean 15, so I probably wouldn't get organic again just to save a little money, but I plan on cutting this up into bite-sized pieces and roasting it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do like a garlic, herb, and Parmesan one, or if I'm gonna do maybe like a curry spiced roasted cauliflower, so let me know which one you'd like to see. I will be doing a keto meal prep video where I'll show you how I like to make this, as well as how I like to roast the chickens, along with some other things that I like to meal prep. Okay, so that's it for Kroger, and here I just have a couple things from Walmart. Just got some white onions. We tend to go through a lot of those. Got a red onion for some salads. I got some green onion, and I got some romaine hearts. I also got this Bright Farms Sunny Crunch lettuce. Now this is grown locally. It is grown in a greenhouse, so it's pesticide free, and it's like a baby version of an iceberg lettuce. I just really like it on top of a bunless burger, or I'll have a salad with it. I'll put it in a low carb wrap, stuff like that. It's already washed. I'll probably give it a rinse anyway, but it's just really crispy, crunchy, and I just really enjoy it. I do have a lot of frozen vegetables in the freezer, so I didn't have to buy a lot of veggies, just some stuff for salads. And of course our cauliflower. So yeah, that is it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you in my meal prep video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a good one.